Hi, I'm Melody. We love cooking in our Fontana Forni oven, and today we are baking from Tiffani Thiessen's book, Here We Go Again. We are making Ciao, Arancini, which arancini are a lightly fried, cheesy, crispy rice ball dipped in a yummy, savory tomato sauce. I remember my friend's Nonna making this growing up, and it was just such like the ultimate comfort food. And if you love making risotto in your house, make some extra so that you can try this recipe out. This is honestly all leftover risotto that we had, and it's a little bit messy to make, but it's super fun and honestly kind of satisfying. We made this earlier this week in our convection oven, but I wanted to try it in our Fontana oven, and it was so worth it. It gave it that extra crispy crunch that you want in arancini. So you guys, look at this. It's so cheesy. It was so warm. It was so tasty, and my teenagers ate this up so fast. So definitely give this a try, and thanks Tiffani for the awesome recipe.
Hope you enjoy, and buon appetito!